Today we're going to be drawing this cute girl. All you're going to need is some markers and a liner. First, take any color marker you want, and this is going to be her hair color. Now make a big ball of squiggles on top and a bigger ball of squiggles on the bottom. I'm going to draw her face and just curve the line like that, and ta-da, there you go. Draw her cute eyes. And add a smile. I'm going to draw her ears. And now we're gonna give her a cute shirt. Connect her hair and her hair bun with a bow. Ta-da, it's done. Now we're just gonna color it. I'm gonna add some hearts on the side, and there we go. Congratulations. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.